Good afternoon, all of you. Myself Gaurav Lunge. Today I will explain you chemistry seminar. My seminar topic is pesticides. Index, classification, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, rodenticides. Then first, introduction. The chemical which are used to kill fungi, insect and weeds are known as pesticides. Pesticides are used to protect plant from disease. Pesticides are applied on crops either before or after harvest to protect them during storage and transport. They tend to destroy pests, but in some aspects, some pesticides are harmful, toxic, and leave permanent effect. Such pesticides are known as hard pesticides. They are classified as above: insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, rodenticides. Then first, insecticides. Insecticides are substances used to kill insects. They include ovicides and larvicides used against insects, egg and larvae respectively. Insecticides are used in agriculture, medicine, industry and consumers. They are classified into two groups. First, organic origin insecticides and then inorganic origin insecticides. Then first, organic origin in pesticides. Organic insecticides, they are stable to heat and light. Example, DDT, aldrin, etc. Phosphate insecticides, they are very poisonous to insect. They destroy harmful as well as useful insect. Example, malathion. Then second, inorganic or organic insecticides. Inorganic insecticides are of mineral origin, mainly compound of arsenic, barium, boron, copper, fluorine, mercury, selenium, sulfur, thallium and zinc, and element of phosphorus. Mercury chlorides act as insecticides. Fluorine compound is used in the form of sodium, calcium, etc. Pesticides, herbicides. Then pesticides which are used to destroy unwanted weeds are known as herbicides. Selective herbicides kills specific weeds and leave the crop unharmed. Some herbicides are applied to soil prepare for planting. For example, 2,4-dichlorophonjoxide acid. Then fungicides. Fungicides are biocidal chemical compounds or biological organisms used to kill parasitic fungi or their spores. A fungistatic inhibits their growth. Fungi can cause serious damage in agriculture, resulting in critical loss of yield, quality and profit. Example, CuSO4, water, Bordeaux. Some of following compounds can be used as fungicides. Then tea tree oil, neem oil, jojoba oil, rosemary oil. Then rodenticides. Rodenticides are pesticides that kill rodents like rats and mice. Rodents are usually difficult to kill with poison because their finding habits are like scavenger. And effective rodenticides should be odorless and tasteless and lividly in effect. It can kill the bite in single dose. Example, Therium. Thank you.